Hi, today I'm going to make a really full-on intense cocktail for you, a Sazerac. So Sazerac is sort of like an old-fashioned but turned up to 11. Really intense, really flavoursome. Now, Sazerac sort of comes from New Orleans originally. There's a wide range of different things you can use to make it. Rye whiskey, bourbon, or even cognac, but I'm a big fan of rye. It gives it a little bit of a spiciness to it. So come and see the ingredients I've got for this. So I'm using the Few rye whiskey, really great stuff, nice and spicy. Then we also need some Peychaud's bitters. These give some bitterness to the drink. A little touch of simple syrup and some cheeky extra ingredients. A bit of absinthe and a lemon peel to garnish. I'll explain how to put them all together now. So if you come on over, first of all, this drink is really easy to make. So we just need 2 shots of rye whiskey. Lovely. 2 to 4 dashes of Peychaud's bitters. In there you go. So to help balance that bitterness, we're just going to put a bit of simple syrup in. Now, I like mine just under a bar spoon of simple syrup. It's very easy to make this drink a bit too sweet, a bit too quickly. There's no citrus to balance it in there, so we need to be careful about the sweetness. Lovely. So there's all the main ingredients. We've got the strong, we've got the bitterness, we've got some sweet. We just need to mix it together. So I've got some ice. Take our mixing spoon and mix for about 20 seconds. Lovely, I reckon that's ready. So we just need to prepare the glassware. Now, a Sazerac is served straight up, short, in a small rocks glass. I'm using a Tony glass here because I think it accentuates the aromatics quite nicely. So I've pre-chilled my glass to make it nice and cold, and here comes the kicker, a bit of absinthe into the glass as a rinse. So we just tilt it round the glass, coating all the inside as much as we can, and that gives a really lovely aromatic dimension to this drink. I like to ditch out any excess. And then we just pour the drink on top. So there's not much liquid in the Sazerac, but I can tell you it's packed full of flavour. Last thing to do, a little bit of lemon peel, and we do an express and discard. You don't leave it in the drink. Express it, all the lovely oils. Give it a little twist, make sure that citrus aroma is there for you to try, and then discard. And there we go, a Sazerac.